Y'all need to go get y'all one of these. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanitra's Latrice, and you already seen the thumbnails. You already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this classy and chic gorgeousness right here, and baby, she is perfect to have in your wig rotation. So before we get into the nitty-gritty and the details of this unit, we're gonna do a super quick install, and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna get right into it. We're about to waste no time. We're about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Do y'all see them curls? Absolutely amazing. These curls, honey, they not coming to play. They're not coming to play. These curls look absolutely amazing. I am super duper excited to get into these curls, honey. And this unit is like a Fumni curl. I don't know if y'all know anything about a Fumni curl, but get into it, okay? Because these curls are absolutely amazing. It's so soft, so lightweight. It is some gorgeous curls. So let's go ahead and put her on. For real. Bam. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that. Already out the box, she's showing out already. This is cute. This is really cute. I am loving this. So this feels a little loose on my head, so I think what I'm going to do is tighten it with the band, the attached band that comes with it. Do y'all see it? Yes, honey, she's showing out already. Now let's get into this lace, honey. Do y'all see this lace? Do you see it? Do you see it? This looks really good. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Y'all see that amazingness? That's wow. It's not gonna take us long to get this unit together because it's already looking fabulous right out of the box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clip it back so we can cut this lace. But you ain't finished in there. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't ready. So lace is cut, honey. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my Nairobi. I think that's what it's called. I won't link it in my Amazon store if you're interested, but this stuff is absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit just across the lace so we can help it to melt into the skin. You ain't really ready for real. So while the lace is melting, we're gonna get into these curls, honey, and we'll be done with this unit. Super easy, super quick to put on. Like, baby, do y'all see that? Look at that. That looks really good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it down because it's a lot of flyaways all over this right here, but we're gonna get it together. So let's get it together. Hey, for real. Okay, so this is how she looks with just a little bit of water. I did not do a lot. It's mostly dry. I just really did the top to tame those flyaways that was all over the place. But y'all see, just with that little bit of water, I haven't even put the setting lotion on it yet. So this looks amazing. Look how this looks. And this is just lightly spritzed with water. It doesn't have a whole lot of water on it. So honey, it looks amazing. It looks absolutely amazing. And this color, yes, honey, yes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it down. We're gonna get it damp, not soaking wet, but we're gonna get it damp so we can put our setting lotion on, and I can show you how it looks wet. If I'm more than what you buy. All right, I'm getting my dimming brush, and we're just gonna brush it out. Promise to deliver much. Yeah, so this is how she looks wet before we put the setting lotion in. She looks so cute, super duper cute, super duper cute. So next we want to put our setting lotion on. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone. Alright, so this is with setting lotion, and this is without. You ain't really ready. working together. Woo, honey, honey.
You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the real.
So I'm gonna brush it through.
No, if you really want it, better come get you.
This is one amazing unit. Look at that. Look at that. So she looks super duper cute wet. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna diffuse the curls so we can see how she looks with the setting lotion set in place. So let's go ahead and diffuse her.
You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you ain't really ready for real.
Alright y'all, so this is her diffuse. This unit is not 100% dry. It's like, I would say like 70-80% dry. But do y'all see this? Look at those curls. Curls for the girls, honey. Yes. This looks amazing. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see them curls? Oh my lord. It looks absolutely amazing. What we're going to do now is take this strap off. Wow. Do y'all see that? Wow. Do y'all see this? Oh my. This looks so good. This looks like my hair. Honey, you can't tell me different. This don't look like my hair. I just had to take a moment of silence for this lace. Because baby, speechless. Where is the lace, honey? Where is the lace? I haven't put no powder on this lace. It melts so good into my skin. Look how beautiful that is. Then on top of that, the curls is popping. Look at these curls. Look at that. Just look at it. Honey, yes. Then the color. Oh my. This is amazing. This color looks really good. Great for the fall. Great for the holidays as well. It's great all over, year round. This is a great unit to have. If you are not into the long hair, this unit is great. It's great for anybody. So you can wear this in the fall, transition into winter, spring, and summer. This is an all year round type of unit, honey, because she is fabulous. Take this to the office, take this to church, take this to run errands, take this just to lounge around the house. Baby, I can see myself wearing this unit all the time. She is drop dead gorgeous. Then on top of that, and if you're not feeling the middle part, you do have the option to part it on the side as well. You can do this side, or you can do this side as well, because you have a 5x5 parting space. But you know your girl is a middle part girl. Look at that. That is amazing. That is simply amazing. Y'all need to go get y'all one of these. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair comb brush combo. They also sent over a wig grip, a Luv Me hair clip, and some wig caps, and also a Luv Me Hair drawstring mesh bag to help store your unit in. So let me tell you the tea about this gorgeous unit, honey. So this is a classic and chic highlight Fumni Curly Glueless 5x5 closure undetectable HD lace wig, and she is coming to make a statement. I am wearing this unit in the length 12 inches, and it is a extremely beginner friendly, no skill install, so it is perfect for anyone who don't have a lot of time to fuss with lace. This is a great throw on the go type A unit. It's also great for people who are new to the wig game. This is a great option to have for your first unit as well. So let me tell you a little bit more about this unit. This is 100% human hair. The density on this unit is 150%. The color is a natural black with the highlight that frames the face. The lace area is 5 by 5, so you do have the option to part this in numerous ways. You can part it in the middle, the left, the right, or do a C part as well. The hairline is pre-bleach. Like, honey, that is one amazing hairline. It is absolutely amazing. The lace on this unit is HD lace, so it absolutely melts so good into the skin. It's one amazing unit. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. You also get 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. It comes with an attached adjustable band and an adjustable strap as well to help give you that glueless effect. And honey, this unit is 100% glueless. No glue is needed for this unit. 100% glueless. Just cut the lace and go. Yeah, see that? It goes all the way around. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. This unit also can be dyed, so if you want to put a little more highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that. But honestly, I feel like this is perfect just the way it is. So let me show you the bag. What are you waiting for? Stop what you're doing and go ahead and switch it up with Luv Me Hair. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down as well so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.